This AI tool makes viral thumbnails in seconds. If I had used this tool from the beginning of my YouTube journey, I would have saved thousands of dollars, multiple headaches, and a ridiculous amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you what this tool does and why it's impressed me so much. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. You see, thumbnails will make or break your YouTube videos. You can upload the best content in the world, but if you can't catch people's attention with your thumbnails, they won't click and watch your video. But understanding the psychology behind why people click and then designing viral thumbnails can take years to master. Trust me, I've been there, and I've done it the hard way. So, when I came across Pikzels, I was kicking myself wishing this was around sooner. With this tool, you can create insanely good thumbnails by just giving a text prompt or by copying and pasting links to clone viral thumbnails. I'll talk you through exactly how to do this in just a moment. But first, let me talk about how I was designing thumbnails before Pikzels. The very first thing I tried was using Canva templates to create my thumbnails. This was super easy and okay back when YouTube wasn't so saturated, but as you can see, these templates look insanely cheesy. And because everybody has access to these templates, my thumbnails just weren't original enough. To make higher quality and more original thumbnails, I started using Photoshop, which gives you a lot more control over your designs. But learning Photoshop was one of the hardest, most time-consuming things I did. I was struggling to make it work and hated the whole process because I had other things to think about like the script, voiceover, video editing, SEO, and so on. So, I ended up hiring thumbnail designers on Fiverr. This took designing thumbnails myself off my plate, but then I had to deal with managing YouTube thumbnail designers, making sure they hit deadlines, and a lot of back and forth. When AI tools became more developed, I started using AI like ChatGPT for script writing and 11 Labs for voiceovers for my videos. But I couldn't find a good AI tool for thumbnails. The closest I got was using Leonardo AI to generate images, and then manually adding text and edits to those images in Canva. This was okay, but I really wanted one tool that could just pump out thumbnails instantly the way I wanted, when I wanted. After a lot of waiting, I came across Pikzels. Using it is incredibly simple, and after seeing the results it got me, I knew I had to share this with you. What is Pikzels? So, Pikzels is a genius AI tool that focuses on making viral-worthy YouTube thumbnails. What makes it work so well is that it's specialized for thumbnails, which is why the results are top-notch. You can choose from 3 different plans: Essential, Premium, and Ultimate, depending on what you need. I recommend the Premium plan because it has the best features, which I'll explain soon. It costs $30 a month, but you can try it for free first to see if you like it before you decide. To give Pikzels a shot for free, click the link in the description and hit the Try for Free button. Then, sign into your Discord account and join the private chat with Pikzels. Now, let's dive into the incredible features that Pikzels has to offer once you're in. Create thumbnails from prompts. This is brilliant if you want a completely unique and original design that fits your video perfectly. You simply describe what you want, and the AI brings it to life. Here's how it works. In Discord, type /thumbnail, and then write a detailed description of the thumbnail that you want. For example, let's say your video is called 3 Hacks to Instantly Lose Weight. We don't want to give a generic prompt like, create a thumbnail for a video titled 3 Hacks to Instantly Lose Weight. Instead, we want to give a specific prompt that sets the scene, describes any emotions, and is short and clear. Here's an example of a good prompt. The key is to describe the main elements of the thumbnail that you want as clearly as possible. Click Enter, and Pikzels will quickly come up with some options for you. These look absolutely incredible. I've used this tool many times now, but it still impresses me every time. If you like one of the thumbnails, you can just download the image. If you don't, you can click on Redo or select Edit Thumbnail to make changes by typing what you want to modify. For example, I can type an edit like this in. And just like that, Pikzels will make the changes. Like with any AI tool, you might need to regenerate to get exactly what you're looking for, especially if you want text in the thumbnail. But overall, Pikzels thumbnails are amazing quality. Create thumbnails from links. If you see a thumbnail that's crushing it on YouTube, you can use it as inspiration to make your own unique version. Look for a YouTube thumbnail that you like from a viral video. I'll go for this one. Just copy the video link. Next, open Discord and send a direct message to the Pikzels bot. You can choose the recreate option or type /recreate. After that, paste the video URL and hit enter. Pikzels will ask you to pick your inspiration level. This is your chance to decide how closely your new thumbnail should match the original one. If you go with high, the new thumbnail will look almost exactly like the original. If you choose medium, it will have a more creative twist, and picking low will give you a totally different design that still has a little bit of the original style. Just hit enter, and in a few seconds, Pikzels will make your new thumbnail. You can download it right away to use for your video, or you can edit it if you want to change anything. What's great about this is that you can take thumbnails from videos that have already proven to go viral and then create your own completely unique thumbnail based on the same principles. You don't need to study why viral thumbnails go viral. The AI does it for you and can cut straight to the results. Put your face in thumbnails. Faces can really pull viewers in and make them want to click on videos, which is why a lot of famous YouTubers include their faces in their video thumbnails. But you might not have the time or equipment to take perfect pictures for every video. That's why the face swap feature from Pikzels is super useful. To use it on Discord, just select the face swap option. Start by uploading the thumbnail where you want your face to be. Next, upload a photo of your own face. Pikzels will then make a new thumbnail that perfectly blends your face into it. A tip here from me is to pick a face that's similar to your own for the best results. So, why Pikzels? Pikzels is my go-to tool for creating thumbnails now. It's quicker, easier, and cheaper than everything I tried before, with Canva, Photoshop, and hiring freelancers. And most importantly, the quality is phenomenal, as you saw. You can know absolutely nothing about designing and still make viral thumbnails with this tool. And you can get started for $0. Try Pikzels out for free using the link in the description and let me know what you think. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What do you use to make your thumbnails at the moment? Do you think Pikzels is easier? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.